In this video, I will be showing you how to log into your webmail in GoDaddy. So let's get started. First, you need to go to your webmail login page. The URL link is your domain name /webmail, which will take you to this webmail login form. In the first field, enter your webmail, which is the email address field. And in the second field, enter the password of the webmail. Finally, click the Login button. And done, you can see we are inside the webmail account, where you can read email received from others, or compose and send emails to others. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.